Okay, AP Lit for Thursday, the 30th. And keep this super short too, because you guys know what you're doing at this point. So the previous assignment was the Beat Queen setup. Okay, hopefully, I'll get a chance to look at that maybe before you write. Make sure there's no kind of dead ends or anything. But again, I'm going to kind of leave you on your own here. All right. So what I need you to do for today is, again, use that template, and I suggest, again, printing it out, maybe putting it in front of your computer or wherever you work or right next to you. You can do that on the exam. Like I said, I asked my guy Chris, and we can have the template. We can have a big list of foci. Okay, so train yourself these next 2 weeks. All right, like I said, you guys doing the essay should be like riding a bike. All right, you guys are so good at this point. But here's how I'm changing things up a little bit. I need you to time yourself. Okay, so maybe give yourself, have your phone next to you or something and set a timer for 25 minutes. All right, so just, like I said, hopefully the excerpt is in, about the same length as the one I've given you here. So, it's going to take you about probably 10 minutes to read it twice, and maybe another 5 minutes to hopefully, set up some things or at least have an idea. And that's going to leave you about 25 minutes to write probably on the exam. Hopefully you've been answering, or at least not answering, but at least looking at the emails they're sending you, so you can kind of give it a test run and know how that's going to work, because they're giving you a few extra minutes to upload things and do things like that. So get familiar with it before. Don't try to wing it. All right. So here's what I want you to do. If you run out of time, I want you to stop. Okay? I want you to stop. So, again, we don't really need intros anymore, as long as you got a sentence that argues something with 2 foci, you're going to get that point. Okay? So let's not waste time on intros. All right? And then what we really need to focus on is just 2 really nice body paragraphs. Okay, so hopefully having everything set up there, you can just zip it out. Obviously, you're not going to have the same exact thing on the exam, but let's try to replicate that as much as we can. Okay, and then if you do find in yourself maybe run out of time, tack on 1 sentence at the bottom for some sort of summary, just, summing up your argument. Okay, so, if you only get through 1 body paragraph, you only get through 1. So hopefully you can kind of adjust and see what you need to do. Okay, so again, idea, that is what is going on. Evidence, that is how things are working. And then the explain, the evidence is the why, and then make sure that you explain again how that whole thing, that whole package, those 3 things relate back to your initial thesis. Okay, if we can do that, like I said, twice in each body paragraph, then everyone with a decent thesis, everyone should get a 4 or 5. Okay, so again, take this opportunity that they're giving you and knock it out of the park, because this will probably never happen again for an AP class. Okay, you've been given somewhat of a gift. I know this is awful, don't get me wrong. Okay, but you've been given a gift, and now's the time to take it. All right, best of luck, everyone. See you next week.